Hey Dr. Dan, just want to give you an update on the Meals app for this week. So this is what we're looking at. We have our different categories, whether it's Italian, quick, easy, different categories. Now if we click into this, we'll see different items with regards to the items within this category. So now say we want some spaghetti, we can then see the ingredients that go into this and the different steps for preparing spaghetti. And another cool feature is that we can star these recipes, so this meal, and then if we come back out to our main, we can navigate with our nav bar to our favorites tab and see this meal now over here. We also have a drawer to navigate to our meals as well as to different filters. So say we're looking for a vegetarian and vegan, we can then save these filters, come out, go back to our meals, and come over here. So now we don't see the hamburger over here anymore because that wasn't vegan or vegetarian. And now say we don't want to see, so we want to see some gluten-free meals, we can then save this. We got a really bad diet, or a healthy diet I guess. Now we're going to be eating asparagus salad with cherry tomatoes. So now we can star this since we're trying to lose some weight. Come back over here, go to our favorites. It's still showing this as we had favorited that meal, but we can also remove this favorite since we're on a diet now. And then if we come back over to our meals and look at our favorites, here it is. And so that's a quick run through of our meals app. And so now let me explain some of the code. So some of the things that we learned this time were that we're now able to create a navigator, so we can navigate to different screens. So we have a category screen, a favorite screen, a specific category screen, and then also the category item screen. And so when we're doing this navigation, this is some of the things that we have taken into consideration. We also have our meal items, which is this right here. We're displaying an image from the network. We also have some position things on the bottom, the duration, the complexity, and the money related to it. We also have our drawer. So this is this aspect right here of creating a drawer that can pop out and show you extra info. And then for our category item, this is where we come right here. Let's see, let's go back to our filters really quick, turn everything back off so we can see all the meals. And so now our category item, which is this right here. So this is our category item, and this is showing you the item up top. This is an Inkwell object, so you can click on it and it'll navigate you to a new page. And so that's another widget that we created. And then for our screens, we had our tabs screen, and this really focused on allowing us to navigate to different tabs within the app. And so this is the bottom navigation bar right here. So there's categories and then favorites, which you can see right here. It's a bottom navigation bar item. We have our meal detail screen. And so now this is related to this right here, I believe, where we can show ingredients and different steps on how to prepare this meal. So you can see that we have different containers and columns and build containers and build section titles that we have up here defined in order to, since we're utilizing this container and tile multiple times, we put it up into a build function in order to call it many times. We also have a filter screen. So this is where we are applying these filters, and we have our different state filters that we are going to start working on managing state, but for now we're just passing it through. So we have gluten-free, vegetarian, vegan, and lactose-free. And so this is where we are building out these different switch list tiles to switch on and switch off. And then we have our favorite screen, which is showing these meals that we have favorited, utilizing this star on the actual meal item. And then our category meals screen. And so this is where, when we come into here, it's going to return a list view builder, as we don't know how many are in the list. And it's going to show a meal item with all this information related to it. So we have an ID, the title, the duration, the affordability, the complexity, and the image URL. And this allows us to create as many items as we need to right here. And so now, if we come over to category screen, this is just showing the overall main screen of we are creating these category items based off of the dummy categories that are passed in from our dummy data this time. And so now this is the dummy data that we were given from the beginning of this course. So that is pretty much a quick run through of the app this time and the cool features that we are able to integrate and have on the app. So now we can favorite certain meals, learn how to prepare these meals in different steps, unfavorite them or keep them favorited. And yeah, so that's a quick update on the app. And then for the Udemy course, as you can see right here, section 7, I did 33 out of 33 videos. So yep, please be sure to like and leave a subscription on this YouTube channel. Have a good rest of your day.